When it comes to home defense, smaller shotguns often pack a surprising punch. Their compact size makes them easy to handle in tight spaces, but don't let their size fool you. These firearms deliver devastating stopping power that's perfect for beginners. Choosing the right shotgun means finding that ideal combination of simplicity, size, and sheer power. In this video, we're exploring 7 of the smallest but deadliest home defense shotguns to give you the confidence and protection you need. Let's dive into the ultimate mix of size, power, and simplicity. The SS211 Mini Over-Under shotgun is all about simplicity and portability, making it an ideal choice for beginners stepping into the world of home defense. This compact shotgun is one of the smallest in its class, with a 10-inch barrel and an overall length of just 23 inches. At a feather-light 4.5 pounds, it's perfect for those who want something easy to handle without sacrificing power. The standout feature of the SS211 is its beginner-friendly design. The shotgun's double-thickness rubber butt pad minimizes recoil, allowing you to fire comfortably even during longer practice sessions. For anyone new to shotguns, this means less shoulder impact and more confidence with each shot. It's also compatible with 1.75-inch mini shells, which are excellent for low recoil training while still delivering reliable stopping power. Its walnut stock, complete with aggressive checkering, provides a secure grip whether you're wearing gloves or dealing with wet conditions. This thoughtful design gives beginners a steady hold, ensuring accuracy and control when it matters most. And with a crisp trigger, the SS211 is forgiving enough to help you develop your shooting technique over time. Storage and maintenance are a breeze, thanks to the removable barrel. Whether you're tucking it into a bug-out bag or keeping it in a smaller home space, the SS211 fits neatly without the hassle of larger shotguns. Of course, with its compact size comes certain trade-offs. The 2-round capacity isn't built for prolonged scenarios, but as a learning tool and a reliable first line of defense, it shines. For anyone looking to get started with home defense, the SS211 Mini Over-Under shotgun delivers on all fronts: ease of use, manageable recoil, and a design built to inspire confidence. The Mossberg 590 Shockwave has become a standout in the world of compact shotguns since its debut in 2017, and for good reason. With its 14-inch barrel and bird's head-style grip, this shotgun redefined what a home defense firearm could be. Weighing just over 5 pounds, it's a lightweight option that's easy to handle, even for beginners venturing into the world of shotguns. What makes the Shockwave particularly appealing for new users is its adaptability. This pump-action shotgun chambers 3-inch, 2 3/4-inch, and 1 3/4-inch mini shells. While older models required an adapter to use mini shells, the more recent 590S variant handles all 3 seamlessly, making it even more beginner-friendly. The mini shells reduce recoil significantly and boost capacity to 8+1 rounds, providing an edge for home defense scenarios where every shot counts. Beginners will also appreciate the redesigned elevator and bolt slide, which enhance reliability and make operations smoother for users still mastering the fundamentals. Of course, there are trade-offs. The reduced barrel length and lack of a stock mean recoil can feel more pronounced when firing 3-inch shells, which can be intimidating for less experienced shooters. However, Mossberg mitigated this with the ergonomic bird's head grip, designed for better control and to help absorb some of the recoil. Pair this with Mossberg's reputation for reliability, and you have a firearm that strikes the perfect balance between power and maneuverability. For those who need a compact, trusted shotgun that doesn't compromise on stopping power, the Mossberg 590 Shockwave is an excellent choice. Its lightweight design, versatility with shell sizes, and proven performance make it a standout option for beginners and seasoned shooters alike. Whether navigating tight spaces or seeking a reliable bedside companion, the Shockwave delivers. If simplicity and reliability are your top priorities. The Savage Arms Stevens 320 Tactical is a no-nonsense pump-action shotgun that deserves your attention. With its 18.5-inch barrel and compact design, this shotgun balances ease of use with the stopping power of a 12-gauge, making it an excellent choice for those just starting their home defense journey. One of the standout features of the Stevens 320 Tactical is its affordability. Priced between $240 and $260, it's one of the most budget-friendly options on this list, proving you don't need to break the bank to protect your home. For beginners, The dual slide action bars ensure smooth cycling, reducing the chances of jamming in high-pressure situations, a key feature when learning to handle a pump-action shotgun. The Stevens 320 is also equipped with ghost ring sights, which make target acquisition quick and intuitive, even in low-light conditions. Combined with its pistol grip design, this shotgun offers exceptional control, giving new users confidence when maneuvering through tight spaces or dealing with recoil. Its lightweight build further enhances its usability, ensuring that even first-time shooters can handle it with ease. That said, there are some limitations to consider. The Stevens 320 doesn't offer as many customization options as pricier models, which might be a drawback for advanced users. However, for beginners, this simplicity can be an advantage. Less to modify means fewer distractions as you master the basics of shotgun operation. Whether you're looking to gain confidence with a reliable home defense firearm or need a straightforward option for your first shotgun, the Savage Arms Stevens 320 Tactical delivers exceptional value. Its combination of affordability, ease of use, and solid performance makes it a standout option for beginners seeking dependable protection. If you're enjoying this breakdown of compact and deadly shotguns, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly firearm tips. Now, let's move on to the next powerhouse on our list. The Remington 870 TAC-14 is a timeless classic, reimagined for modern home defense. Renowned for its legendary reliability and performance, this shotgun brings over 70 years of excellence into a compact, beginner-friendly design. With a 14-inch barrel and an overall length of just 26.3 inches, the TAC-14 is an ideal choice for tight spaces, making it perfect for navigating hallways or protecting small areas. What makes the 870 TAC-14 particularly appealing for beginners is its smooth pump-action system. Known for its reliability and ease of use, the action cycles effortlessly, helping first-time shooters build confidence in high-pressure situations. The ergonomic bird's head grip enhances control, making recoil more manageable, a crucial factor for those just starting with shotguns. Priced between $350 and $360, the TAC-14 strikes an excellent balance between affordability and quality. The durable steel receiver ensures this shotgun will stand the test of time, while the Magpul M-Lock forend opens up customization possibilities, allowing users to add accessories like tactical lights or grips as they gain experience. It's worth noting that while the TAC-14 is a beginner-friendly option, its compact size and lighter weight mean the recoil might feel more pronounced compared to full-sized shotguns. However, with regular practice, even new shooters can master its handling. For beginners who want a reliable, versatile, and compact shotgun that doesn't compromise on performance, the Remington 870 TAC-14 is a top-tier choice. Its combination of history, quality, and user-friendly features ensures it remains a favorite among first-time buyers and experienced users alike. The Black Aces Tactical Pro Series Max is a semi-automatic shotgun designed with versatility and power in mind. Its sleek, tactical aesthetic and user-friendly features make it an outstanding choice for beginners looking for a reliable home defense weapon. With an 18.5-inch barrel and an overall length of 31 inches when using the bird's head grip, this shotgun strikes a perfect balance between size, power, and maneuverability. What sets the Pro Series Max apart is its modular design. Beginners will appreciate the option to switch between the included bird's head grip and a full shoulder stock, depending on their comfort and level of experience. The semi-automatic action ensures quick follow-up shots, eliminating the need to pump between rounds, a feature that can be a game-changer in high-pressure situations. Priced at around $390 to $400, the Pro Series Max offers incredible value for its price point, combining high performance with affordability. The shotgun also features an extended magazine tube, increasing its capacity to 7 shells, giving beginners extra firepower without frequent reloads. Accessory rails allow users to easily add lights or optics, making it adaptable for various scenarios, whether it's nighttime defense or honing skills at the range. While the Pro Series Max is designed to be beginner-friendly, the semi-automatic action does require regular cleaning and maintenance to ensure reliable operation, a good habit for any new shooter to develop. Its slightly higher price may also stretch the budget for some, but the quality and features make it well worth the investment. For anyone starting out with shotguns, the Black Aces Tactical Pro Series Max is a powerhouse that's as flexible as it is dependable. It's an excellent option for beginners who want a little more firepower and adaptability in their home defense setup. When it comes to simplicity, reliability, and affordability, the Century Dynamics PS12 stands out as a no-frills option that punches well above its price point. Designed with beginners in mind, this pump-action shotgun combines ease of use with the raw stopping power of a 12-gauge, making it an excellent starting point for anyone stepping into the world of home defense. The PS12 features an 18.5-inch barrel and a lightweight construction that tips the scales at just over 6 pounds. This combination makes it both maneuverable and comfortable to handle, even for first-time shooters. Beginners will appreciate its straightforward pump-action mechanism, which cycles smoothly and reliably without unnecessary complexity, an essential feature when every second counts. Affordability is where the PS12 truly shines. Priced between $190 and $210, it's the most budget-friendly shotgun on this list. Despite its low cost, it doesn't skimp on the essentials. The rugged design ensures durability, while the user-friendly controls make operation intuitive, reducing the learning curve for new users. This shotgun is all about building confidence without overwhelming you with bells and whistles. The PS12 comes equipped with a basic bead sight for easy target acquisition. While it may lack the advanced optics compatibility of higher-priced models, the simplicity of its sighting system is perfect for beginners focusing on mastering the fundamentals. Additionally, the pistol grip offers improved control, helping new users handle recoil with greater ease. That said, its minimalist approach does come with some trade-offs. The PS12 doesn't offer much in the way of customization or advanced features, which might leave experienced shooters wanting more. However, for beginners, this simplicity is a plus. It allows them to focus on building their skills without unnecessary distractions. For anyone on a tight budget or just starting out with home defense shotguns, the Century Dynamics PS12 delivers dependable performance and unmatched value. It's proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a reliable firearm that covers the basics while inspiring confidence in your abilities. The Rock Island Armory VR-F14 is a standout option for beginners seeking a compact, no-nonsense shotgun with unmatched versatility and power. Designed to look and feel like an AR-15, this 12-gauge powerhouse combines modern aesthetics with beginner-friendly features, making it a popular choice for home defense. What sets the VR-F14 apart is its innovative layout. Unlike traditional shotguns, the VR-F14 incorporates a full-length top rail, perfect for mounting sights, optics, lights, or lasers. Beginners will appreciate the intuitive placement of these accessories, making target acquisition straightforward even in low-light conditions. The textured, aggressive handguard provides a secure grip, ensuring that even first-time users can handle the firearm with confidence. This shotgun features a charging handle directly attached to the bolt carrier, which reciprocates with the carrier. This AR-style design simplifies operation for those transitioning from other firearm types. The VR-F14 also comes equipped with a 5-round box magazine, but is compatible with Rock Island's larger VR Series 9 and 19-round magazines, offering flexibility for users to tailor the capacity to their comfort and needs. Priced between $350 and $370, the VR-F14 balances affordability with cutting-edge features. Its pistol grip is ergonomically designed to reduce felt recoil, making it a great choice for beginners still getting comfortable with the power of a 12-gauge. The compact size of this firearm also enhances maneuverability, particularly in tight spaces like hallways or corners, an essential attribute for home defense scenarios. However, new users should be aware that firing 3-inch shells without a stock can be challenging. While it's not impossible, beginners may find it more comfortable to use 2 3/4-inch shells or lighter loads while building their skill set. Regular practice will make managing the VR-F14's recoil more intuitive over time. For those who value modern design and adaptability, the Rock Island Armory VR-F14 is an exceptional choice. Its combination of AR-style familiarity, compact dimensions, and customizable features make it both beginner-friendly and a formidable tool for home defense. If you're looking for a shotgun that's easy to learn and deadly in action, the VR-F14 checks all the boxes. Each shotgun on this list offers something unique for beginners. Whether it's the compact ease of the SS-211 Mini Over-Under, the versatile power of the Mossberg 590 Shockwave, or the cutting-edge design of the Rock Island VR-F14, There's a perfect match for every skill level and need. Remember, the best shotgun is the one you feel most confident using when it matters the most. Stay safe, stay prepared, and let us know in the comments which one you're choosing.